Man City wants Cody Gakpo? What? The guy that always cuts in and misses, although he scored yesterday, but forget about that. But the Cody Gakpo that we want to get rid of, the Cody Gakpo that we hated last season, Fabrizio Romano just said Man City made contact with Cody Gakpo's camp today. Talks have started with while Tottenham remain in active discussions for Cody Gakpo. There's actually a race on for Cody Gakpo. What is going on? What other news have we got? Manchester City are making an attempt to sign Cody Gakpo, huh? Like, why they're not going for Kvaratskhelia? There's so many better left wings. What is going on with Man City? Like, I'm laughing because this is crazy. Manchester City is throwing its hat into the ring for Cody Gakpo, the British top club in short of attackers and considering buying the winger from Liverpool. Wow. Wow. At least they're not go. Why are they not trying to go for Bacola? Liverpool will only sell if they can get 2 wingers in the next 8 days. Priority remains Bacola. Whew. What are we saying, guys? What are we saying? Wow. Exactly as Moby is saying here, 100 million for Cody Gakpo. I can't even speak properly. But my wish last season was that Arnestad should go and Cody Gakpo should go, and it's actually happening. Like, I don't want to sound like a hater, but we know what Gakpo took us through last season. He cannot be a starter for us. He's like a decent squad player, but he's not a starter. In the season we won the title, he was a squad player. He made an impact when he came off the bench, and that's kind of what he's good for. But we getting 100 million for Cody Gakpo. Liverpool has to buy Adam Horton after that. Like, Bacola, Mbaye, Minte, and Horton. At least Lamine Kamara, somebody. But hopefully this can actually up our budget. Cody Gakpo being wanted by Man City in Tottenham baffles me. I can't lie. Same. But actually, guys, let's actually discuss it. Let's actually discuss it and actually analyze it. Cody Gakpo is a decent squad player. Cody Gakpo is a good ball striker. As you saw yesterday, he scored against Newcastle outside the box. He's a good ball striker. He's someone that can change the game off the bench, but over 90 minutes, he's not it. He's not a world-class left winger. And if there's going to become a bid of 80 million plus for Cody Gakpo, we should let him go. As simple as that. Bacola is coming in anyway, so Bacola is going to be the starter. So what's the point of turning down a 80 to 100 million bid for a potential bench player? Like, he's potentially going to be third choice at the left wing spot behind Rio and Gamoa if Rio can play on the left side. His reports of him playing right, but we'll see what happens. But that's just my take on it. Like, I feel like Cody Gakpo maybe, like, it's slightly risky selling him to like a title rival. Maybe not this season, probably next season when we'll maybe be in it. But I just feel like, yeah, like we should let him go if those numbers are gonna be what we're gonna sell him for, So yeah, like I said, Cody Gakpo, he is a good player, but he's just not for us at the moment. Like, with the players we want coming in, they way better suited for our system. And yeah, and I feel like Cody Gakpo going to like City is kind of like how can you spend that amount on them if like PSG just got Mika Gots for like 50 mil? That would have been a better signing. There's Yildiz from Juventus. Because sign Luis Diaz again. He's better than Cody Gakpo even at the age. Kvaratskhelia, like I wish we could have gone in for him, but there's so many different options out there. Maybe it doesn't even happen. It's still a rumor at the moment, but I mean, Fabrizio Romano tweeted about it, guys. So I feel like it's definitely something to watch. And yeah, like once Fabrizio Romano, we've seen this transfer window when it comes to Liverpool stuff, he knows his things. So I mean, with him reporting like three posts about it in the last 2 hours obviously means it's real, So we'll see what happens. But let me know in the comments what you guys think. Do you guys think we should sell Gakpo to Spurs or Tottenham? Do you guys think how much do you think we sell him for? At least 80 million, in my opinion. Let me know what you guys think. But I'm interested to hear what you guys think. This is crazy, like unheard of. Like, am I dreaming? Like, what's going on? I'm trying to pinch myself awake. Okay. Let's not get too carried away. What if it doesn't get sold? I'm gonna look like an idiot. Anyways, Let me know what you guys think in the comments. Make sure to like the video if you guys enjoy this content. Make sure to subscribe to the channel if you guys are new here. Man City fans, if you want to know more about Gakpo, ask me questions, but I'm sure you know all about him. But make sure to subscribe if you guys are new here. It will really be appreciated. And I'll see you guys on the next one.